Money, who couldn't use a little bit of it? Whether you are saving for a down payment, planning for a wedding, trying to pay up debt, or putting some aside for a rainy day, a little extra money per month can go a long way. Your day job might help you to pay for the essentials, but a side hustle from home, that is the game changer that will make a difference in your wallet while giving you the freedom you have always wanted. So here are the best side jobs that will help you to make more money. Number 1, start dropshipping business. Dropshipping is one of the best side job ideas. It allows you to sell a product directly to the customer without having to buy any inventory. Why is this business great? You don't need to have a big startup cost budget, keeping your risk low. The manufacturer not only carry the inventory but always ship it directly to the customer for you. Your main focus should be marketing and customer service, the lifeline of the business. If you have a strong marketing background and want a side hustle that plays to your strengths, this is it. Dropshipping business is for you. With dropshipping, you can start a business within any of your favorite passions. Do you love stocking your kitchen? You can sell kitchen equipment on the internet. Maybe you have found this unique solar-powered smartphone phone accessory. You can start your own online product and implement these store ideas. If you love doing your makeup, you can sell beauty products and build an audience who follows along to your makeup tutorials. Almost any niche can be pursued with dropshipping business. How much money can a dropshipper make? That depends on how much effort you put into your business and marketing. You can make an extra couple $1,000s or more. Number 2, start a wholesale business. If you like the idea of running an online business but would prefer to be a little more hands-on, starting an online store using wholesale could be perfect for you. This business model means you buy products in bulk at a lower price rate and then sell it at a higher retail price to your customers. Because you are hands-on with your products and suppliers, you are able to keep a close eye on the quality of your products. Unlike dropshipping, you handle the packing and shipping, which means you don't have any deal with any of the downsides of dropshipping, the long shipping times. Instead, you take advantage of getting those products into happy customer hands faster. Much like dropshipping, you are still able to sell products related to any niche you can think of. Whether it is your passion for home decor or your obsession with your pet, all you need to do is use a wholesale marketplace like Handshake. Find the product you want to stock and make your purchase. Although running a business using wholesale requires having some money up front, most wholesale marketplaces offer net times, which provide a nice buffer. Buying products using net time means you can purchase products and start selling them week or month before you need to pay for them. Wholesale tip: do you want to start your own wholesale business? Sign up for Handshake or Shopify. The Handshake app allows you to access to the wholesale marketplace where you can choose from thousands of products that you can purchase and sell in your own store. If you have found this video helpful in any way, please kindly smash the like button, give this video a thumbs up to appear to more lives, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel now. Please subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. Number 3, begin freelancing. Does your 9-to-5 job pay fluctuate if you don't have a predictable income? You might need more money for some months and a little less others. If this sounds like you might choose to take off freelance gig. This could be gig you created on Fiverr or the occasional freelance project on Upwork. You might create t-shirt mock-up for a client one week and help someone build their social media following the next week. The type of project you work on could vary drastically, but if you love the variety and switching things up, this side hustle could be perfect for you. How much money can you make with this side hustle job? You could make anywhere from $50 to $2,000 per month, depending on the side gig you take on and the platform you use. For example, if you are looking to eat, let us say extra $1,000 a month, freelance writing is a side hustle that can allow you to reach your second income goal. The secret to succeed as a freelancer is to charge clients based on the value you bring. Most freelance workers undercharge, which results in fast burnout with little payoff. Freelancing tip: the best freelance work opportunities are on We Work Remotely and remote.co. Thousands of side job seekers visit these websites daily to find and apply to openings. However, if you are just starting out as a freelancer, you might want to focus on building your portfolio and skill set on Fiverr, Craigslist or Upwork, as it is easier to land your first few clients on those websites. Number 4, work as an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is one of those side jobs that pay well over the long term. However, you need to go through a learning curve before you can start making money with affiliate marketing. It's not just about finding the right product to sell, but also finding the right brand to partner with. If you choose to be an affiliate marketer for an e-commerce store, your commission will likely be a lot lower than if you were to just dropship them yourself. However, there are tech companies that will pay a hefty price tag to affiliates who bring them new customers. How much money can this side also make you? It depends on what product you are selling and what affiliate network you use. For example, if you were an affiliate marketer for a tech company like Shopify, you could potentially make an extra $58 for every merchant you refer. That means you could make over $500 with just 10 referrals. Sweet! This sounds sweet, man. Affiliate marketing tip. As the affiliate program or content creator for assets you can use to help you market their product. For example, there may be a lead magnet or free tool you can use to incentivize people to purchase the product. Oftentimes, a piece of content can help ease a potential customer from a cold lead into a warm one, giving you the better chance of succeeding with this side also. Number 5, launch a print-on-demand store. If you like to make custom graphics and artwork in your free time, a print-on-demand store could be a great site also for you. Print-on-demand or POD allows you to sell your custom artwork on products like t-shirts, bags, phone cases, mugs and more. The best part about this site also is that you can create and sell products under your own brand. Also, you can completely automate the logistics of the business by choosing to dropship your own print-on-demand products. This is where you design products, add them to your store, promote them and take orders from your customers. The orders are fulfilled by the print-on-demand company that print your designs onto their products, then ship the item directly to the customers. How much money can you make with this site also? That depends on how much people like your designs and the effort you put into marketing your business. With a bit of work, it is possible to make an extra couple $1,000s each month. Print-on-demand tip. Try to sell a profitable print-on-demand items like retail quality custom t-shirt. People are often willing to pay higher for retail quality t-shirts featuring their favorite designs. Find out the subject and the themes that your audience is interested in and then make custom designs based on those trends. Then find a t-shirt printing company that will print the designs onto retail quality t-shirt. You could charge between $40 to $150 a piece for these shirts. Number 6, start blogging. Blogging is one of the best side hustle jobs to do from home or anywhere else in the world. It allows you to build a personal brand while owning your own assets. You can even write about your passion. Starting a blog in a niche that you understand allows you to reach an audience who share the same interests as you. Yoga, business, beauty, and cars are some popular niches for running a part-time blog. You can make money with blogging in a few ways. Add the affiliate link to your post or linking to the online store where you sell your dropshipping products. How much money can you make trying a side hustle like this? In the blogging, you will make nothing. But some bloggers who stick it out past the first few years have made enough money to quit their day job and do it full online time. Blogging tip. If you are passionate about blogging, create an online store that you can monetize and add a blog onto it. This allows you to start monetizing your assets before you are even boost up your audience. The combination of content and commerce is a powerful one. As your blog grows, you can use retargeting ads to monetize your blog traffic to land even more sales. If you plump out regular quality content, you will quite possibly have a few homegrown posts that will bring you a ton of traffic that will be easier to monetize than if you were hoping for a few direct sales. Number 7, sell information products. If you are looking for good side jobs to make money, sell information products might be the perfect option for you. This side also requires some research, invested time, and marketing skills for you to flourish. There are topics that are really popular right now that you know a lot about. Did you find a popular topic that there isn't enough information about? Monetizing these opportunities by creating content around it. You can publish your ebook on Amazon or sell courses to start earning. How much money can you make selling information products online? It depends on the niche, your market execution, and a variety of other factors. But a site also like this can result in a few $1,000s each month. The key is to create several different pieces of content, ebooks, courses, and many more that keep generating recurring income for you. Sell information product tip. With this site also, focus on niche where people have a huge problem they need to solve. If you are in the fitness niche, you can create a fitness workout course or a diet plan with a research ebook. If people are desperately to solve a burning problem, there's an opportunity to provide value by helping them solve that problem. The content you create can guide them toward a solution. Best part of this side also is that you could make money while helping other people. Number 8, earn passive income as an Instagram influencer. Growing up, most people dream about being famous, but the truth is not everyone can sing or act. Fortunately, you can still build a personal brand around yourself based on what you can do. Maybe you have a really cool fashion sense or can bake an awesome cake. On Instagram, anyone can start a side hustle by becoming an influencer. If you don't like the spotlight, that is cool. You can build an Instagram following around your blog or your photography. You can monetize your Instagram account in a couple ways. Sponsor posts, Instagram takeovers, or sell a product on your website. Is being an influencer a very good side hustle, where the average influencer charges between $200 to $400 per post. This could vary based on your audience size, so feel free to check out influencer rates. Instagram influencer tip: be consistent in the type of content you post, how often you post, and when you post. You will surely gain new followers if people know what they can regularly expect from your page. You won't be able to monetize right away, so invest your time into growing your followers by posting several times a day, even every single day. Number 9, become a virtual assistant. Topside also have one big thing in common: there's a high demand for them. A virtual assistant is an assistant who works in a remote location as opposed to a company's office. They can help with tasks such as administration, social media, bookkeeping, and more. There has been a growing demand for virtual assistants from business owners who need help on various projects. As a virtual assistant, you can specialize in countless areas, and there are countless other businesses around the world that rely on virtual assistants to grow and maintain their brands. How much money can you make as a virtual assistant? Most virtual assistants make a couple extra $1,000 each month, depending on how often you work. Great people, this is the end of the video. If you have found this video helpful in any way, please kindly smash the like button, give this video a thumbs up to appear to more lives, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel now. Please subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos.